Build strong and powerful wings. Introduction. Building up your wing muscles not only enhances your upper body strength, but also contributes to an aesthetically appealing V-taper physique. With the right workout routine and dedication, you can achieve impressive results and develop the sought-after wings. Warm-up, 5-10 minutes. Begin your workout with a dynamic warm-up to increase blood flow to your muscles and reduce the risk of injury. Perform exercises such as arm circles, shoulder rolls, bodyweight squats, and light cardio activities like jumping jacks or skipping rope. Number 1. Pull-ups, 3 sets x 8, 10 reps. Pull-ups are one of the most effective exercises for targeting the lats. Use a wide, overhand grip and hang from a pull-up bar. Pull your body up until your chin clears the bar and then lower yourself down with control. If you find pull-ups challenging, use an assisted pull-up machine or resistance bands for support. Number 2. Bent over rows, 3 sets x 10, 12 reps. This exercise targets the middle and upper back, helping to strengthen the muscles around your wings. Hold a dumbbell in each hand, hinge at your hips, and bend your knees slightly. Keep your back flat and pull the dumbbells up towards your chest while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Lower the weights with control. Number 3. Lat pull-downs, 3 sets x 10, 12 reps. Using a lat pull-down machine, sit down and grab the bar with a wide overhand grip. Pull the bar down towards your chest while keeping your back straight and your elbows pointed outwards. Slowly release the bar back up to the starting position. Number 4. Seated cable rows, 3 sets x 12, 15 reps. Sit at a cable row machine with your feet against the footrests and knees slightly bent. Grab the handles with an overhand grip, sit back, and keep your back straight. Pull the handles towards your abdomen while squeezing your shoulder blades together. Slowly release the handles back to the starting position. Number 5. Dumbbell shoulder press, 3 sets x 10, 12 reps. Strong shoulders are crucial for a well-rounded wing development. Sit on a bench with back support. Hold a dumbbell in each hand at shoulder height and press them overhead. Lower the weights back down to shoulder level with control. Conclusion. Consistency is key when it comes to building muscle, so make sure to follow this wings-focused workout routine 2-3 times per week. Pair it with a balanced diet that includes enough protein and other essential nutrients to support muscle growth. As you progress, consider increasing the weight or intensity to continue challenging your muscles and achieving better results. Happy lifting! Subscribe and follow on other social media platforms.
Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.